guess what? Today, I got my first video in a while, and we are Galarian bird hunting today. If you haven't heard in Christmas Part 2 from December 25th, January, I don't know if it's January 12th, but daily incense will be 30 minutes long.
Which is exciting.
And different Pokemon will appear on it every single day, which is absolutely insane. But I am not going to that one neighborhood, just to let you know. I'm not doing that. After what happened last week. But,
you have to catch everything
well, no wonder I'm not getting Galarian birds. If you haven't seen yet, guys.
If you're gonna catch everything, you gotta have
I have got a shiny Mega Latios. Just so you know.
And I spent like $20 on that thing. I still don't have it, bro. I still don't have it.
Yeah, that's exactly why. I just do 2 raids per Pokemon. I hope to get the. I guess walk 2 kilometers probably won't be that hard. 3 raids happening right now: a 1-star and 2 6-star megas. And I would recommend having at least 7. But some teams of 7 haven't been able to do that. So. Yeah, so it really doesn't matter what level it is. Not that, I'm not gonna. Don't want that.
No, I'm not gonna.
I don't want that goofy out Pokemon.
Here, octopus.
Piplup. Imagine it's a shiny thing.
If it was shiny, I was gonna throw my phone on the street.
Nah, bro.
You guys don't know this because no one doesn't have
remember?
a face cam. I got 3 shiny costume Piplups. I mean, this is shiny in this costume. But so only one out of them that couldn't evolve during Halloween. I picked only one. And I got.
Yeah, you got like 2 or 3 of the shiny Piplups.
I got a drink.
Yeah, that was absolutely ridiculous. What the heck is this thing? Oh! Chat, bro, we got the shiny. We got the shiny. What?
What message? Okay, good.
I missed it. Keep missing. Dang it, I keep missing. About that time. Holy crap. No! Shiny! That's 2 shinies in 2 days. That's a shiny a day. See, we have 1, 3, 2. No, I caught it yesterday. And this is probably the worst I've ever seen. Oh my god.
Get a Galarian bird.
I have already got so much. Like,
keep an eye out.
you won't believe it. Okay? Bro, I have so much shinies now. I mean, I just started about a month or 2 ago.
During Halloween, basically. Before Halloween.
I have 18 legendaries, and I have 10 shiny.
10 shiny.
I only have 10 legendary shiny.
10 shinies. I have 77.
Oh god, I almost ran into this bush. I was gonna laugh if I didn't. I have this, I have a shiny Phalanx, shiny Latios, shiny Lickitung, shiny Mawile. I only did 1 raid on that Mega Day.
Oh, I've gotten a Galarian bird here and a That's apparently where the Galarian bird spawns. Whoa, was that a G-Max? Was that a G-Max one? Oh,
And also guys, if you haven't heard yet, there are new Dynamax, and also there are new McDonald's gyms. Every single McDonald's in the US, there is a gym. So
start playing Pokemon.
yeah. So I mean, I don't know who up there. up there screaming? I just hear someone screaming. I'm like, I just hear someone like, bro.
Ding dong, goy, goy, goy.
I haven't got any spawns, Tristan.
Okay, we're about to get another.
Tristan, I haven't got any spawns. Tristan, I literally have not got any spawns since like right here. So you might want to consider. Oh, I forgot the chimp star.
Yeah,
I don't even want the chimp star though.
Nothing wrong, bro.
I don't even want it.
Oh, that's fine.
I don't even want it.
No, I think you got spawned, bro.
No, I didn't. I don't want that goofy ass thing, bro. I don't even want that goofy ass thing. Y'all be playing too.
Team pool.
No spawn.
We gotta catch every single Pokemon.
Yeah, I do gotta catch.
Lucky egg or a star piece.
No, I'm not gonna drop a lucky egg or a star piece with an 8-minute incense remaining.
No, I'll drop a star piece.
Oh wait, no, just a shared star piece. Oh, that's good.
What's this?
Yo, I found queso. It's one of my instances that I look. It's queso.
Oh, Granny.
It's queso. Bro, who is this? I don't know who that is, but I thought I found the real one person, but apparently it wasn't the weird one. Bro. Get him! Oh, are that inflatable? Whoa. They're my friends and still my friends, but I just started playing Pokemon Go, so I didn't get like the.
Are you gonna start playing? You wanna help us do the raid?
A level 1 raid. Rating a level 1. He has freaking one. He has 20 CP. Raid stuff, bro. Like, I would not raid with 20 CP.
I need 2 more Pokemon for the Johto.
I found 2 new more Pokemon. What? I don't even know what to say. Well, if you haven't heard, Necrozma raid day is tomorrow.
Let's go.
I don't even care.
On the 14th, December.
I don't even care if I get Donald. I just want Necrozma.
I don't think that you're gonna get the fusing counterpart. I don't think they're gonna give you that. Though if they do, I'm going for Dawn Wings. Shiny because I already have the Dust Mane. Hey, that's nice.
I don't even care about Dustman. I just want Necrozma.
Shogun. I'm gonna send this.
Shogun. I thought you said Shogun. I was about to go like Fortnite.
Shogun.
What? Shogun X Boss at Demon Island? Like, hold up. There's still 6 minutes on the instance, so as you can see, that's actually my friend's van.
The kidnapper man.
When you go ride the van, make sure it has candy. Make sure it has candy. Make sure it has candy. And when you see all those kids, make sure to abduct them. Make sure to abduct them. Make sure to abduct them.
Allowed it.
Yeah, that notification, guys, I want to apologize for that. It was about some 9-year-old getting, I don't know. I'm not gonna lie for that. I'm just gonna say, and there are more people up here, and they're probably gonna say, you're playing Pokemon Go.
Pokemon Go.
We can't,
Finally, I got the Pokemon that makes it look like
we can't,
X-Cloud.
oh no, it's just Enoch and Ezra.
I finally got the Pokemon.
And then maybe it's like,
You want to see what Mason looks like? Let's see what Mason looks like. And it's also extra small too. X-Cloud. X-Cloud.
no spawn. Absolutely. Heck is this, bro? I have no spawns, Mia. What the? Like, Captain It's too close to my brother.
Tristan,
Is-
I like the hoodie.
I swear he wears that hoodie every day.
Wait, no one. I ruined it with the polar bear pajamas.
No, bro.
Hold up, wait a second.
Honestly, come on. We made it worse. Look.
Oh, y'all purposely moved it? Oh, y'all just made it purposely.
That's the best part about it. You have Facebook on your thing?
No, but my mom told me about it. And I was like, nah, she didn't really care. She just said it was a Karen being oversensitive.
Thank you.
I mean, if it's too close to the property line, like, just deal with it. Like, I mean, technically, it's not even your property. It's behind your backyard, so like, it's like, bro, it's like 2 feet away from your property line, bro. Like, could not care less. Couldn't care less.
We did that. We actually did what they said. They're going to probably post something.
I'll post something else. Honestly, that'd be funny.